Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at ngx-markdown part 2. Right, we're going to be looking at how we can embed the code that we embed in our markdown, how we can see that, as well as how to style that out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions. Alright, so first, in order to get this code working, what we need to do is we need to add some dependencies to our angular.json, right? So in part 2 CSS, in the app module in angular.json, that's an error. Let me go fix that. Right? We want to copy and paste this code. Right, and now once we have this available, we can start the application. Right, so now our Angular application is running. Right, what we could do is take a look at the front end. Right, and we could see here on our front end, right, the embedded code. Right, so I'm just using Python. It's definitely something someone's going to be familiar with. Now, say if, for example, we want to add line numbers and we want to go highlight that out. Let's see how that looks like. Let's go back to our code. Right, so now we're going to add line numbers like so. So what we need to do is to replace it with HTML. Right, and now you see we get our line numbers, right? And if we wanted to start at a different line, right, we could paste it out like so. Right, just change that number there, and all we need to do now, if an upload to take place, right, and there we made a modification. All right, now say if we wanted to go ahead and highlight, right, we need this additional code as well. To get that to set up. Right, and once you made the appropriate modifications, right, we can see that we get our highlights. So instead of line 5, I'm just going to provide 4. I'm just going to modify it. It's 5, 6, 8. Right. 7 through 9 is better. I want to see the different highlights. Right, and now you can see line 5 is highlighted and line 7 through 9 is highlighted. So I take a look at the code, right, there is my update. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right, a link to the lab will be posted in the video description, as well as all of our social media. In addition, the third part will be coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.